That's not good.
How much
Did it just like go, or?
Yeah, I just started pouring hydraulic fluid all over the place.
One of our big goals this year has been prepping our future build site. That being said, no project is without its challenges, and our most recent one had the potential to push off the entire thing.
Moving more rocks. Hopefully we'll be prepped for a bulldozer soon. That is, if the company we're looking at renting from gets one available. It is so pretty here. Like, obviously you can see it's pretty, but it's really pretty. That's not good. So what just went?
That hose that goes around right here is blown.
How do you fix that?
Well, this is the auxiliary port up front here, so I could probably just plug that.
You think
I
so?
don't really need it.
You don't really need that port?
No, it's like for a hammer.
Okay. So it went, but it's not something that's used.
Right.
But it's still leaking.
Right, I'll probably just take this apart and then
Plug it.
get some way to plug that.
Okay.
How much
Did it just like go, or?
Yeah, I just started pouring hydraulic fluid all over the place.
Really?
Yeah.
That's exciting. Oh well,
But
I
yeah,
guess the rocks are
that
staying
goes
here.
to nothing. That is just for like a auxiliary hammer.
So in theory, are you just losing the hydraulic fluid from like the highest point down?
Yeah, it's already slowing down, so it's...
Okay. So, what are you going to do next?
Well, it's hot, so I can't really do much with it right now.
No, I mean like in the next,
Actually, that might not be back. That's cold.
I guess, what are you going to do in the next like few days? What's your plan?
Fix it.
How would you fix it?
I don't know, I'll get a hold of Meridian Hydraulic and see if they can get me a plug.
Okay. What do the plugs look like?
I don't know.
Can it be something like the thing on the end over there?
Probably. Actually, I wonder if I can actually move that plug up.
Is that an option? Does it?
It might be the same fitting. See how manly Daddy is. I can get the big line off, but I can't get the little line off.
So what do you do then?
That's big. It's small. And but what about this?
Don't want to damage that.
So you're loosening that so you don't damage the line.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need your help here, I think.
What do you need help with? Nope. Not a thing.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's all done. All done.
Oh.
So in theory, you could take that cap off and put it up there,
Yeah, potentially.
like over here. We've got music to go with it and everything.
Look at that.
Whoa.
That's perfect.
Can I dance? Can I dance?
Yeah, you can dance.
Come up the driveway.
It sounds like it is coming up the driveway.
This truck is on mountain.
You know, sometimes people call them, so maybe like our neighbors called them and they're coming to our neighbor's house. That's possible. Like if they're like, oh, I'll buy something from you, she'll drive out of their way.
If they drive up the driveway, I'm gonna buy something.
No, I mean,
That's
I bet they're
crazy.
going up our road. They're probably going to the neighbors.
Here, Mommy.
As tight as it'll go.
Good and snug.
Is it the wrong thread?
No, I think it's gonna work.
But it needs to be the next one up.
No, it's just hitting. I could just get this to turn a hair. Oh, let me have a different size wrench. Oh, you got the whole box? Go ahead and put that right on the track over there.
Look at it, it's Muscle Man. Does it
That's
move?
spun just enough. I think that's gonna do it.
So it's just not facing the right direction.
Daddy, look.
That's gonna do it. That's it.
That's so exciting.
Well, we got lucky here too, because we didn't need these lines. They were just for auxiliary functions, so being able to cap this made it pretty easy. This is also an auxiliary line, and it's not needed. It's capped on the other end.
But it's like,
So-
so are these lines just like,
It's just
do they
it's-
get more wear and tear because of like how they are?
Yeah, it's run terribly. I
Okay.
mean, look at right here.
Yeah, it's gonna burst at some point.
But there's nothing in this line right now.
So you might as well just
I might as well get it off.
pull it
and
off
cap
so it's
it.
not in the way. And that's all for tonight. Donnie's gonna get some caps to cap some of these ports here from Meridian Hydraulics, and then put those on, and that'll be that. That was actually a fairly pain-free fix.